Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Ingredients: 4 cube steaks, about 4 to 6 ounces each. Half cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon onion powder. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 cups beef broth. Instructions. In a shallow dish, combine the all-purpose flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to create the seasoned flour. Pat the cube steaks dry with paper towels, then dredge each steak in the seasoned flour, pressing lightly to adhere the flour to the meat. Shake off any excess flour. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 2 of the cube steaks to the skillet. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are browned and cooked to your desired level of doneness. Remove the cooked steaks from the skillet and set them aside on a plate. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 cube steaks. In the same skillet, add the sliced onion and minced garlic. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the onions are translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Pour the beef broth into the skillet with the onions and garlic. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. This adds flavor to the gravy. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the broth to reduce slightly. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of water until smooth. This creates a slurry that will help thicken the gravy. Slowly pour the flour-water slurry into the skillet, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Continue to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the gravy has thickened to your desired consistency. Return the cooked cube steaks to the skillet, nestling them into the gravy. Spoon some of the gravy over the steaks. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let the cube steaks simmer in the gravy for an additional 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once the cube steaks are heated through and the flavors have melded, remove the skillet from the heat. Let them rest for a few minutes. Serve the cube steaks with the gravy spooned over the top. They pair well with mashed potatoes, rice, or steamed vegetables. Enjoy your delicious homemade cube steak and gravy.